Your boss just blindsided you in a meeting. Your kid won't talk to you. Your bank account is screaming. And somewhere in a 2,000-year-old book, someone dealt with the exact same thing. That's what we're doing here. Yeah, we're reading the Bible in 52 weeks, chronologically, so it actually makes sense. But every weekend, we're hitting pause. We're telling the story of the single mom in Ohio who's living out Job's struggle, the guy in Seattle wrestling with Jonah's calling, the woman in Atlanta who just got her Ruth moment. Because the Bible isn't just history, it's pattern recognition for your life. David's dealing with betrayal. So are you. Peter's screwing up his second chance. Sound familiar? Paul's reinventing himself at 50. Join the club. When you read it in order, the way events actually unfolded, suddenly the whole epic clicks. And when you see your story in their story, that's when it gets wild. 52 weeks, ancient text, modern chaos. One story that keeps repeating. You ready? Welcome to In God's Presence. Let's read the Bible and find yourself in it.